Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about e-commerce store survival strategy during coronavirus lockdown. The coronavirus pandemic has changed our lifestyles immensely. More than 190 countries have been affected by this global health emergency so far. Every business type is experiencing challenges and setback due to current situation. As countries have imposed lockdown and unnecessary travel bans, if you want your business to survive these difficult times, a practical and a smart e-commerce store survival strategy must be adopted. The brick and mortar store are closed amid the lockdown, and it is evident that the customers have to purchase necessity from online stores. E-commerce sales growth during COVID-19. Our next question is how coronavirus could impact on e-commerce industry. The lockdown imposed in several countries across the globe has forced people to stay indoors. As a result, the e-commerce industry is expecting a boost. People prefer shopping online rather than visiting physical stores in fear of contracting this virus. According to stats, people are spending more time on the internet nowadays. Health products and mandatory household item sales have increased up to an average of 420% during this global health emergency. So here we discuss about the e-commerce store survival strategy. The global pandemic has presented e-commerce businesses with huge challenges. But with the right strategy and an intelligent customer-centric approach, your e-commerce business can survive these difficult times. Now we discuss about some tips and strategies for your e-commerce store survival during the coronavirus lockdown. Our first strategy is maintain an uninterrupted goods supplies. With time, more countries are imposing lockdown due to which the supply chain is facing huge challenges. To handle the situation and keep your customers satisfied, you must be prepared for any possible supply chain challenges. Also, you must have a strategy in mind to counter these setbacks and challenges. So here are some tips to encountering the situation include. First one is diversify suppliers. You must have a backup for the supply of products or raw materials. For each delivery, you must have more than one supplier in contact so that in case of any problem, the other option can be availed. The factors which are considered with choosing suppliers include geographical, regional factors, the facility of services, reliability, and terms and conditions. Second one is tracking supply chain map. Keep track of your supply chain routes, and in case of hindrance, you must have alternative routes in mind as well. Third one is talk to your suppliers. Maintain seamless and continuous communication with your suppliers. Interact with them politely and with respect. Our next strategy is add alternate products to your online store. Another method to keep your consumers engaged and generate more sales is to introduce your potential customers with alternate products. Launch new products after analysis of purchase history and current circumstances. During the ongoing coronavirus crisis, it's advisable to offer products that are high in demand, such as face masks, gloves, hand sanitizers, and other similar products. Invest in excess inventory. It is the need of the hour to pile up supplies that are high in demand during the current situation. This will help you in delivering the orders of customers on time without facing any delays or cancelled orders. These factors harm the reputation of your e-commerce business, so it's advisable to pile up your warehouse during such circumstances. Communicate with your customers. Effective communication is very important to build customers' trust. During this pandemic, you must constantly update your consumers about the available products, shipment status, and other important information. Engage your buyers by sending them emails and flyers and keeping them aware of the operational details in each area. Here are some tips to help your store survive during this pandemic. First one is you must keep your buyers and potential customers informed about the supply chain status and any issues or problems being faced. Second one is your aim must be over deliver and meets customers need during these difficult times. Third one is the content of your online store must be customized according to the ongoing global health emergency. Next one, keep users updated about the measures your e-commerce business is taking to keep everyone around safe. Last one, but not least, your social media audience must also be kept engaged and updated about the ongoing development in your online store during coronavirus breakdown. Adopt a customer centric approach. Customer behavior also divides according to ever changing environment. Therefore, during the current crisis, the approach of consumers has shifted drastically. Everyone has a different capacity and approach to buying goods, and these changes falling to economic tendency of different people. To make sure that your e-commerce store survives during coronavirus lockdown, you must be aware of what your customers needs. The items high in demand must be made available for purchase to build a strong client base. There are some types during the current crisis. To understand what your consumers are thinking, you must be aware of the 4 types of psychological behavior adopted by people during a crisis. The first type comprises of people who are worse affected economically during the crisis. They will try their best to reduce all avoidable and unnecessary expenses and focus on buying mandatory stuff. The second category includes people who are not sure whether they can maintain their living standards during the coronavirus crisis. So they will focus on purchasing mandatory healthcare, wellness, and safety stuff and avail good deals as well. This group of people will avoid purchases of luxurious items. The third category comprises people with secure income, so their shopping patterns will mostly same. The ratio of buying essential items will remain unchanged. However, they become more selective in purchasing luxury items during the crisis. The fourth category, people falling in the category life for today and continue to buy products, favorite brands, and avail good deals. Collaborate with local suppliers. Due to coronavirus, several countries have imposed a ban on international flights. So you must opt for cooperation with the local supply crew to deliver your goods where possible. Improve website performance. During the COVID-19, many buyers may panic and land on your website to buy health and household items. Your website must have a good performance so that the potential customers are satisfied with what they are offered. As more people are being locked down in their homes, online traffic is increasing day by day. Make sure that it does not crash. Keep track of the number of site visitors and perform load testing to ensure that the site can handle all the added pressure. The content of your e-commerce website or app must be relevant to the current situation. The products and services in demand during the crisis must be displayed on the landing page of the website. Offer your users with a variety of payment methods and take all the measures to assist you customers in getting their desired items delivered. The checkout process must be seamless and robust.